Today we're going to be making candied pocket nuts. Karen? Butter? For this recipe, you can use all kinds of nuts. Almonds, pecans, cashews, almonds, pecans, and even cashews. But I'm just going to use some walnuts, some salt, some magic dust, mix-a-lardo. Gonna add some almonds for variety, just a dash of sugar. And I'm trying to watch my weight, so some light brown sugar, some milk of the corn, cinnamon, yum yum sauce, mix-a-lardo, cook for 5-10 minutes. Dude, the smell here, so good. It's like bananas. And it also smells like Cinnabon. Crispalize on low heat. Done. Mix it while it's hot. Let them cool overnight. After they cool, they should sound something like this. These things are perfect for any occasion. I like to use a baggie and put them in my pocket. These are great for the movies, on the toilet, when you're driving, on the roof, and even in bed. I call them Drake's nuts.